Hey there! Sometimes we may need to disable a profile on a single device for troubleshooting. Let's go through a brief walkthrough of disabling a profile from a device record in Jamf School. From the Jamf School dashboard, navigate to Devices, Inventory, and select a device. Click Managed Profiles on the left, find the profile to be disabled, and click its corresponding Disable button. Then, click Yes to confirm. When a profile is disabled on a device record like this, the device remains in scope, but the profile is removed from the device and its status changes to Disabled by Administrator. Once we're finished troubleshooting the device and we're ready to re-enable the profile, click the Enable button. Then click Yes to confirm. Once re-enabled, the profile will be downloaded back to the device and its settings will once again be enforced. Its status will then return to Installed. Thanks for watching!